ValueERP Field Service Management is a powerful tool to handle your technicians out in the field. Whether it's asset maintenance, plant maintenance, or general field service, this solution covers it all. It can be used for internal assets or even customer assets. Any company that relies on a team to manage assets and equipment can benefit from ValueERP Field Service. The real game changer here is its AI feature. It can read through technical manuals and provide real time answers to technicians while they're on site, helping them solve problems with assets and maintenance instantly. The app is simple to use but has everything we need: time tracking, diagnostics, task execution, quoting, inventory management, quality checks, and so much more. With Value ERP Field Service, the dispatch team can easily assign tasks and track technicians on the map. It shows their availability and skills in real time, making coordination super smooth. Plus, the software handles requests from regular clients, whether they're under contract or one-time customers. It manages the entire job process, from the first request to sending the right technician, managing spare parts, and tracking everything through to billing. Technicians can simply log in and get all information related to their tasks and the relevant assets. Time recording, task status updates, or issuing spare parts all can be done on the app. And for the customers, they can pay online, making everything fast and efficient. With Value ERP, field service becomes simple, smart, and effective. It's the all-in-one solution to keep your team and your assets running smoothly.